If you do good work for good clients, it will lead to the other good work for other good clients. If you do bad work for the bad client, it will lead to the other bad work for other bad clients. Hi, this is Ahmad from Graphical Academy, and today our topic is proximity in graphic design. In graphic designing, proximity is a principle of design that refers to the close relationship between the elements of the design. The rules of proximity are pretty simple. The things that are related should be nearer to each other, and the things that are unrelated should be placed further from each other. Imagine walking into a room full of people and being asked to determine who knew each other. What would you look for? One of the simplest things you could consider in the physical relationship between the people. If two people are standing right next to each other, there are better chance they knew each other, other than the two people who are opposite on the end of the room. Using the principle of proximity, you will find as your group those items that have something in common and separate those items that don't. Graphic designer is responsible for organize image, text, and other elements like line and colors, all within the same overall space.